All right, so we got ourselves Draxsel. We have Dom here in winners quarters. It's gonna be an interesting one. We have Bayo versus Captain Falcon. So, you know, Dom the Bayo, Draxsel doing what he does, and we're gonna see what's going on here over here at you know, Smashville for game 1. So the Witch Twist comes out, gets the afterburner kick. We're already at 10%, you know, normal, customary Bayonetta things. Dash attack gets the up air. All right. Just doing Bayo things. Like, not much of a reason at that point I felt to keep going, but he did it. He's gonna hit with a Falcon dive. Falcon kick, why not? Fully charged F smash, why not? Probably could have been witch timed. All right. Doing Bayo things. Dom carrying him up. No nair.
Want to comment here?
Sure. Wait, what?
Sorry.
So, we have, it's a pretty close game right now. Going for the grab, gets it. Oh, goes for the knee. Draxsel is coming flying through.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, the carry. Oh, just barely survives that one.
He's still alive.
Oh, yeah. So Draxsel gets a down tilt.
Down tilt. Four dash attack.
Yep. I'm thinking, yeah, he just kind of lets him get up right there. Kind of safe. Safe move. Reads the roll.
Okay.
Gets a down smash right there.
Yeah. Not going for the down air, which is actually pretty smart.
Yeah, I mean, it's Bayo, you know, it's hard to challenge that at all, you know what I mean? Her recovery is just too good.
Oh, yeah.
So, oh, dash attack is going to
GG.
trade with the back air, and Dom
kill.
taking the first stock, yeah. Okay. Looking for the grab, just misses. Misses that grab as well. He's off stage now.
Oh, God.
Bayo recovering, doing what Bayo does.
Oh, man, he probably goes for, like, the kill, but nah.
There's 2 Raptor boosts in a row. He loves that Raptor boost.
He really does. It is a...
Oh, no, the Bayo thing's happening.
He's
Dom carrying him up, and he's going to go off the top.
At 70, man.
Dom takes game 1 doing Bayonetta things, man.
Bayonetta things, man.
So,
And for all those who don't know, my name is Mordos. From
Rochester.
Yeah, from Rochester, yeah.
So,
Yeah, here to commentate this match against Dom and Draxsel, so...
yeah, and it's been a good one so far, you know what I mean? It's been pretty close. So, we'll see how the rest of this one goes as we're back on Smashville. So we have a little start here from Dom. Getting the down tilts, getting the jabs through. Okay, he's going to carry him.
Oh, God.
my
Oh,
goodness.
Lord. I was afraid he was going to... Oh, no.
And he witch times him, yep. Down air.
Yep.
Footstools him.
Yep.
Okay, back air, and I think he's dead now.
He's dead. Oh, God.
Yep.
Yeah, he's dead.
So Dom takes the first stock in a pretty dominating fashion.
Yeah.
Get it? Dominating.
So corny.
Oh, yeah, man. I bring the corn.
Yeah.
So,
I'll bring the popcorn right here.
So, I mean, might as well. Like, Dom's putting on a show. So, let's see what happens here. He just misses that dash attack. He's going to get nared. Oh, he went for the Falcon kick.
Ooh,
Kind of wanted to start something.
He was trying to start something.
Yeah.
Goes jab. Ooh.
Just missed that back air.
Yeah.
He can't get anything started. Draxel's having a hard time.
Oh, God, yes! That was sick. That was nice.
That was real nice. Draxsel with the dare sends him to the depths.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. So Draxsel, let's see what he can do. He's probably got a little boost of adrenaline after that. You know what I mean? Just a little. Oh no! He's getting carried up, and there he goes.
Yup.
And Dom takes it 2-0 over Draxsel.
Yeah, man.
Doing Bayo things.
Bayo things. Just Bayo things, my dude. We live in a quite odd time in Smash, my dude.
Exactly.
But you know,